Meaning of effusive.
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 Effusive. The word effusive refers to the expression of emotions or feelings in an unrestrained and excessive way. It implies a display of intense enthusiasm, gratitude, or praise that goes beyond what is considered typical or necessary. A person who is effusive may use exaggerated language and gestures to convey their emotions, often with great sincerity and warmth. However, such behavior can also be seen as over-the-top or insincere, depending on the context. Overall, effusiveness is characterized by an enthusiastic and unrestrained outpouring of emotions.